Okay, so let's confirm the aircraft and do not worry. Children's Hospital. Donen hoy y ayúdanos a transformar con valentía la atención médica para el futuro. Hora y temperatura presentadas por Leave 7491, we're clear to take flying airplane. Since we flew with air yesterday, sending 7491, you're clear to take off runway 12 right. Okay, thank you. Not a hanger. Oh look, there's FedEx. My co-pilot went to the nursing home. Okay, so let's not try to worry about anything. United 539192222, we're clear to take off runway 12 left. United 1991 19222, runway 12 right is closed due to a construction. Okay, thank you, Tower. Swiss 53919, we're clear to take off. Hold position, and Swiss 539 is United taking off. Okay, Swiss 5 Air Canada 4664, you're clear to take off runway 25L. Take off at runway 25L because due to a runway 12 right is due to construction. Thank you, Tower. Swiss 5319, you're clear to take off runway 12 left because since the runway 12 right is closed due to a construction. Okay, Tower. B1, rotate. What does Webster do with the Christmas? Okay. What? The door doesn't go like that. First of all, why is it using Boeing 737 engine? Second, the door doesn't go like that. It should be a smooth flight to Zurich, Switzerland. With oh God. Oh, so tired. Let's take a while nap later. Guys, something was wrong. Always be bang angle, bang angle, bang angle. What's wrong? Bang angle. I don't know. Look, the hijackers near us. Bang. Oh, guys, what they want from us? Wait, what? They're gonna kill the passengers. Oh no, guys, we have to make emergency landing. Oh crap. Jesus Christ. I hope they don't kill us. Oh, they're claiming the passenger life. I'm sick of you calling the police on me. No, don't kill me, don't kill me. Too late. Look. Make emergency landing. Tower 5, Swiss 5319. We're gonna make emergency landing. Mayday. Okay, Swiss 53919. Is the passenger okay? No, they're just assassinating them. Well, how many passengers? Like 18 and 19? Oh. Well, you're gonna do the landing. Get down. I hope they will kill us. Jesus Christ. Aren't they flying their own jets? Use the drop reverser while we land. Okay. Set up. Okay. What the hell was that? Pull up. Think right. Pull up. Mana. Oh my god. No. This is the end of the runway. No. Okay guys, this is the end.